This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your default audience on Facebook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On Facebook, you can control who can see what you post by selecting its audience. Setting a default audience, select the audience for your future posts. You can change a specific post audience with the audience selector without changing the audience of your future posts. So how to do it? So simple. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now, on tools and resources section, there is an option default audience settings. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can choose your default audience. Choosing a default audience automatically sets the audience for some content you share, but you can always change the audience for a specific post, story, or reels. By default, your default audience is on public. If you want to change only for friends, so only your friends can see what you post, you share. If you create a public post, only your friends can comment on it. You can choose on friends, or you can custom your current settings. You can manually choose who can see what you share, interact with your public content. For the example, we choose friends. Now you can just tap on next. You can use friends default audience settings. Now you can just tap on confirm, tap on done. So that is how to change your default audience on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.